get in the front? Or you can't? Can you get in there? Good. You want to get in the front for the falls? You good? Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say he probably would.
Here, give me your paddle. You don't get the paddle. Okay.
Okay.
They're not gonna let you go overboard.
They're not gonna let you go. They'll hang on to you.
Here. You can do it.
Take a good picture. You be up front.
Right. Grab him by his face. What? I don't know if I'm umbrella. Am I on this thing?
So we're all going to paddle together as a team. So let's put our feet underneath those stilts a little bit. Now let's go all forward.
All forward. All forward, mate.
Me and that the other player. Let's go all forward. Alright, and we're going to put our feet underneath that right there, and then underneath that, and then back under your butt.
We could probably just need a run, that's it. Yeah? I'm on you, right? Huh? I mean, they gotta take a good picture kind of thing. We just get it. He's ready to grab him by the collar. Here you go. Hold on, dude. Yeah, we get that right there. That's how that mine runs. I also have the end. Huh? Oh, that was cool.
He got a good little splash on that.
And he didn't even feel like he was gonna fall out.
No, he didn't move.
Brave. We want to be brave, big boy.
Hopefully they got a good shot. Huh? I saw the camera guy. No, the camera guy.
Should be a really cool picture.
Yeah, hopefully.
Just go all forward.
Forward.
High five right here in the middle with the SEAL Team 6.
Yeah.
Well done, y'all.
We were missing one.
So now let's go all forward.
Oh yeah, we got to hit the beach here.
Grab.
Oh, we're gonna go to the next one. All right.
Now let's go all forward. I just couldn't make that.
We were high-fiving.
Yeah.
Well done, man. You did a great job, man. You're like a rock star, man.
Okay, now fucking walk.
Yeah, if you got legs left,
Be careful.
stand up.
Don't trip or flip now. We've been through too much together. No flipping or tripping.
I got no ankle. Yeah.